to join us here to celebrate my daughter's graduation.
I would also like to thank my Pala and Amla especially for supporting me my whole life and through my
And I love you so much. I love you so much. I love you so much. I'm so proud of you and everything you've accomplished. Can you I'll always be there for you. I'll always support you.
I just want to express my sincere gratitude for all of you, especially my family, friends, the community member here for making time to join us here to celebrate my daughter's graduation. So, thank you. High school graduation is usually, actually I was speaking to one of my friends who was telling me, oh, why you're celebrating high school graduation is some kind of very high academic accomplishment, or you had some kind of special set of goals, right? And while he was telling me that, I was thinking in my heart, he's missing something very essential, something which is very true to people like us, family like ours, and a community like ours. Really, being born in a very first generation immigrant family, you have tried to balance this two different complex world every day of their life, especially for Zinten. You have this family expectation, community values and spiritual cultural identity, and on top of that there's your school demands of homeworks and everything, and then you're trying to navigate this complicated world, social world of high school, middle school. You are every day exposed to all kind of groupism, bullying, racism, which is not necessary for her, but we all have experienced that being a minority in this country, right? Everybody have stories to tell about that. So navigating this is a challenge. It's a big challenge. And on top of that, being adolescents or teenagers, there are so many things which is changing in your hormonal shift. There is some emotional dysregulation, mood swings, all kind of trying to develop your personality as well. You are developing your identity at the same time, and she has survived all these, and this is something I think very special. Not only surviving, she thrived and she have grown stronger. She have learned a lot of coping skills as grown up, right, as a kid. So this is what celebrating I was thinking. So high school, I think this is high school graduating is the most tough. You're building up this big foundation. After that, you're just honing your skills. The colleges, I think it will be much easier. I think she will do great. And this is why we're celebrating her, especially her resiliency, your grit, your tenacity, your courage, you're able to accomplish all these things, all the challenges in your life. So I just want to congratulate Zinde for able to surpass all these challenges in your life. And so before I'm not saying too much, to talk about Zinten a little bit, I think Zinde is a very nice girl. She's very smart, very benevolent, emotionally intelligent, empathetic, insightful. She has lots of three good qualities. I don't want to say all the things, right? So this is what it is. Don't be worried. We'll celebrate like Tibetans celebrate in Tibet. What we do? Tell a lot of good stories. And we have Gorshey. We'll do all the things how we celebrate. Tibetans celebrate good occasions, right? That's what we're gonna do. So please take it over, and I think that's about it. Thank you.
Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to attend my graduation party. I appreciate everyone for coming. I would also like to thank my pala and amma especially for supporting me my whole life and through my high school journey. They worked very hard to make this party happen as well, which they have been planning for weeks. Thank you also to all the families and friends who made food, decorated, and helped in any way, shape, or form. Thank you also to my popos, my momolas, my aunties, my somo, my uncles, my cousins, and my friends, and my brother Ziga for supporting me and making the last 17 years of my life easier. I would also like to thank all of the Galans who have taught me since I moved from Chicago in Damien, language, singing, and dance. Lastly, I would also like to thank all the Tibetan community for being there for me and giving me support. I hope everyone has a good time and enjoys the party. Thank you. Now we are going to start with several performances friends and family have prepared today. First up is Ziga, Pema, Karma, Samaya, Arya, and Yitok performing Hamo Hamo.
나이 심기나 lammo 나이 돌아 야미 도망 그기라냐 사기 세기 다시마라 야미 도망 그기라냐 사기 세기 다시마라 किसी की धूला खान सबती पुचुदाला असोर नासना लमो नाही सिंकिला लमो नाही थोड़ा लमो नाही सिंकिला लमो नाही थोड़ा Gila, nahi tomara, simki din lage na chinki si romanta. Itu mampe gila, nahi tomara, simki din lage na chinki si romanta. Ame tomola hamo, ame tomola hamo. Mitsi gila ki puchuna, mitsi gila ku puchuna, puchuna gila padne mano. Ame pomola hamo, mitsi gila ki puchuna, mitsi gila ku puchuna, puchuna gila padne mano. Puchuna gila padne mano.
Thank you. The next performer is Daga Anuma, who will be performing a Tibetan dance. Next up is Gen Siringla and Gen Torjipurila performing Pershe Sumse.
Thank you. Let's go.
Next is Ziga, Bema, and Karma performing Top Clap Show, Top Show.
Hallelujah.
Next is Momo Sujula singing Hase Tsemo.
따뜻이나 this 뭐잖냐 버치도 이네 젠달라기 랍트탄한데 대열이야 양기라게 인지미지직 따라지 숨도와 안템디체 해서 셰트 퓨미 시 인지다 힌디다 내 좋아서인데 다양 땡매 아니 땅안 해서 셰트 English fluent ani kya be yun thame rokna rona ante shi dela tendala Yengila bikila ani bola mola chamulo teshi dile mangushmi antare nga ke mixe giya kya she big tuji kashe jiglnye tamji sha je surprise ji puya yi na phane le zam khonse sme na nga hindi shi ya kiri nya khonsri masum temte challenge na pe a kusera hua samana आता नहीं दोबारा हाफिज खुदा तुम्हारा हाफिज खुदा तुम्हारा तेरे लिए जाना हाथ से खुदा तुम्हारा हाथ से खुदा तुम्हारा English chick. Tatiana. Thank you. Tatiana.
Next up is Yuto performing Touched by Cat's Eye.
Yes, Yuto!
Monday, I was dreaming about you. Tuesday, I was waiting at the phone. 2 days wasn't enough from you. Yeah, what can I say? Oh, baby, I was getting bored. Thursday, I was losing interest. Friday, you were in the cool. Weekend, you were in the sand. I was moving on, 'cause you were moving too slow. Sometimes I'm all alone. Stare out my window. Makes you seem close tonight. But you be so touch, 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 touch. Thought about you way too much, 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 much. Over everything, yes, touch, 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 touch. But you be so out of touch. You couldn't have me up, but you know so out of touch, 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 touch. Thought about you way too much, 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 much. Baby, when I mess it up, 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 up. 'Cause you went so out of touch. You couldn't have my love, but you know so out of touch.
Next is Kirup singing Jane by the Long Faces.
First time singing.
Won the devil got your hand for the love to hold the honey star that she lies down, reading the paper, reading the world right round, and her eyes record the sweet surprise of those who died that day, leaving her breathless, leading her hand to the grave.
is Daga Ruma performing Törshe. Next is Gent Urjipurila, who will sing in Mere Hum Safar. Next is Momo Daolas, who will sing a Tibetan song.
Thank you.
Next, Daula will be singing a Hindi song.
Today I'm gonna sing a song without music. As I'm not prepared, so I see a lot of people. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंडिया से है, तो फिर अग्रज भी है, यंग जनरेशन भी है, हम लोगों के जैसे 90s का भी है, तो सबको मिला के मैं गाना गाऊंगा। पहले बुजुर्गों के लिए 70s का सॉन्ग है। The song is from प्यासा गुरुदत्त। जाने वो कैसे लोग थे जिनको प्यार से प्यार मिला, हमने तो जब कलियां मांगी कांटों का हार मिला। जाने वो कैसे लोग थे जिनको प्यार से प्यार मिला। बिछड़ गया बिछड़ गया बिछड़ गया हर साथी देकर पल दो पल का साथ। किसको फुर्सत है जो थामे दीवानों का हाथ। गम से अब घबराना कैसा गम 100 बार मिला। हमने तो जब कलियां मांगी कांटों का हार मिला। जाने वो कैसे लोग थे जिनको प्यार से प्यार मिला। Thank you. अब आया 80s पे। तुम अगर साथ देने का वादा करो, मैं यूं ही मस्त नगमे लुटाता रहूं। तुम मुझे देख कर मुस्कुराते रहो, मैं बहारों की महफिल सजाता रहूं। तुम अगर साथ देने का वादा करो, मैं यूं ही मस्त नगमे लुटाता रहूं। तुमको देखा तो नजरें ये कहने लगी, हमको चेहरे से हटना गवारा नहीं। तुम मुझे देख कर गीत गाते रहो, मैं बहारों की महफिल सजाता रहूं। तुम अगर साथ देने का वादा करो, मैं यूं ही मस्त नगमे लुटाता रहूं। मैं यूं ही मस्त नगमे लुटाता रहूं। थैंक यू। अब आया 90s में। मैं दुनिया भुला दूंगा तेरी चाहत में। मैं दुनिया भुला दूंगा तेरी चाहत में। ओ दुश्मन जमाना मुझे ना भुलाना, मैं खुद को मिटा दूंगा तेरी चाहत में। मैं दुनिया भुला दूंगा तेरी चाहत में। मैं दुनिया भुला दूंगा तेरी चाहत में। हाँ तेरी चाहत
Thank you. It's time for dinner now. So everyone make yourself way inside.
Numzi 벌써 되거든. numzi 벌써 되거든.
Oh yeah, great. Very crunchy. Perfect.
덤찍이 레코드에서 덤찍이 레코드에서 뭐 넣을 수 있어.
양칠 한번 들이켜라요. 다시 내가 참고로. 가가잖아. 가가잖아. 지린.
Right now?
지린 어느 zinten graduation이야. 오늘 상막 하나 살이야. 나도 플레이터 스파르퉁데 패션 모두. 그렇잖아. 상막 빼기고 준비. 아니 팬도 들이켜라요. 드실래? 이래. 드실래? Congratulations and then. Congratulations. 내가 any remarks? 켈라야.
I love you so much. I love you so much. I love you so much. I'm so proud of you and everything you accomplished. Can you I'll always be there for you. I'll always support you.
They're watching third person.
I love you, Zinten. We should do a hype song. What do you want to do?
Guys, they're playing volleyball. Volleyball together. Gonna be golden.
Oh, let's do beauty. Wait, can we do beauty? Will you do beauty?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like everybody. Do you have anything to say?
Oh, congratulations, and then I'm so proud of you. Have fun your next 4 years and beyond.
Make Youngchan say something.
Aww, 사랑해. Wait, I love you.
Wait, let me say my input, my 5 cents. Hi, Zinten. Wait, let me.
Wait, this is good, better lighting.
Okay, well, damn, thank you for okay. Hi, Zinten. Congratulations. I remember I played basketball with you, with Youngchan when we won. We beat all the older girls. And yeah, we're basketball partners for life, I guess.
I know.
Yeah, so tell me if you want to play college ball because I can play college ball. Okay, congrats.
Uma, any?
Oh, congratulations in there. You better bring me to Ichigo Matcha.
Period. Congratulations, Zinten. I'm so proud of you. And good luck at CU Denver.
See, Denver?
사랑해.
I just went to University of Denver.
No, CU Denver.
Oh,
사랑해.
congratulations.
What is love? I don't know. I wanna know. What is love? I don't know. Do you guys have anything to say to Zinten?
Happy graduation.
Period. Do you guys have anything to say?
Happy graduation. Happy birthday.
Karma, you have anything to say? Karma, Pema?
Congratulations. Yeah, congratulations. Do you guys have some words for Zinten's grad? Do you guys want to wish her
Congratulations.
We're so proud of you. I know you're going to do great things in life. Good luck at CU Denver. We love you. Yay, go. What is it? Go Buffs?
Oh, they trash police the listen.
No, guys.
Guys, we have to be very mindful about this area because TAC is letting graduation parties host here. We have to take care of our Tibetan community.
For real.
Just show you off. Tonight I wanna show you off. Hey, 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 what you got? A million could've never bought. Hey, 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 we gonna party like it's 30s, 12 tonight.
back. Send the letters on a big sign. Justin Bieber. You know I hit it with the ether. Buns out, meaner. But I gotta keep my eyes on Selena. Beauty, beauty and the beast. Beauty from the east. Beauty from the precious to the freeze. Please, beauty from the streets. You don't get the seats. Every time beauty on the feet. Body rock. Oh, from how to feel. Body
Next, Zinten and Lopsang are singing Risk It All by Bruno Mars.
Yo, Lopsang, where you at? Lopsang. Yesterday, siya ako dancing ni yang pergi getting lagi tahu lagi. So, can you move us na ni boyong sinai? Yamda time.
Just a chance to win your heart. You can set the bar beyond the stars. I'll do anything you ask me to. Should you want the moon, watch me learn to fly. There are mountains you could point to. I wouldn't climb, it's crazy but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you. Risk it all for you. It's crazy but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you.
Let's start the next one. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. Congratulations, dear Zindla. Congratulations to you.
Next, Achibasong and Dang will be singing Hello. singing Where'd All the Time Go?
Where'd all the time go? It's starting to fly. See how the hands go, waving goodbye. No, I get so forgetful when I look in your
Next, Ajabasa will sing Sundalamoso.
Sundalamoso.
be singing singing Emma
장시 에마는 기다리 저디지 에마는 서프라이즈 죄자라잉아 세대배 좋아시
Thank you song for His Holiness the Dalai Lama by Pastor Mamalat.
will be a performance of Go Go by BTS.
Dollar dollar 하루치네 전부 단지 dollar dollar 내가 보는 내가 사지 dollar 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 yeah 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 I'm on a crazy out the bed trying to crazy like a needle blowing in the fire take a cushion for the needle bombing up the miles and we're gonna shoot a needle blow my thing like a six on the needle shining has a gun in my face 전부 다 baby take a walk on TV talking you can take a baby never the wall oh nothing never go oh Do you want some? Want some? Dollar dollar 하루치네 전부 단지 dollar dollar Man I spend it like some party dollar dollar Shaking on your baby garden Baby garden Listen, listen, listen Yola, 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 yola Yola, yola, yola 던지네, 던지네, 던지네 Yola, 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 yola Where my money at? 던지네, 던지네, 던지네 Yola, 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 yola Yola, yola, yola 던지네, 던지네, 던지네 Yola, 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 yola Where my money at? 던지네, 던지네, 던지네 Where my money at? Where the party at? We're into the concerts like boom, 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 boom 내가 다지야 이거 빠지야 먹긴 내지 못하는 내 프라이드 그래요 나는 나는 그래요 하루치는 전부 단지 dollar dollar Man I spend it like some party dollar dollar 지금 먼저 때까지 해가 되기까지 us 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 Yola 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 ya Yola yola ya 던지네 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 Yola 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 ya Where the party at 던지네 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 Yola 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 ya Yola yola ya 던지네 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 Yola 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 ya Where the party at 던지네 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 We gonna go We gonna go We gonna go Everybody We gonna go We gonna go We gonna go Everybody We gonna go We gonna go We gonna go Everybody We gonna go We gonna go We gonna go Everybody We gonna go
Next, Ajitern will sing Nai Lama.
Zinten anything graduate whether tested shigi and then shigi you get yangi tested and we someone tested and she the community I love 시간
Kama Dinzinya Tohi.
Next, Emma Karma will sing Die With a Smile.
I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye. And I don't know what it all means, but since I survived I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'll love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Lost in the words that we speak. I don't even wanna do this anymore, 'cause you already know what you mean to me, and our love's the only war worth fighting for. Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you, right next to you, next to you. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was sober and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Go on there and just, get inspired by pictures, videos. The one thing I love to do is to work with songs.
这呢到了，那或是腾讯这个写字特地进的是吧？或者呢，估计写字top 2呢 ，Jackson 5的写字带是吧？他出来了，这个挺好。
是大学是不错，那些完了有的没。